What's up, buddy? Hold on a second. Yeah, you on camera. How you doing? Yep, that's the one that was in my tree. And the other one was watching. They climbed up in the apricot tree. He was up there trying to get apricots, and the other one was lookout.
Okay.
So what's going on today, folks? 2 days ago, I set a trap for groundhogs, and I used some of the garden stuff that I had in, and picked it, put it in the trap. 2 days later, when I came home, I saw that I had a groundhog. So, backstory, I had a groundhog. Wow, that's been in the yard for like 3 years, and I never really bothered it because it wasn't bothering me. It wasn't until I started seeing that it was climbing up on my raised beds, my picnic tables, and it started eating a lot of the food that I was growing. Another part of the backstory is my neighbor had pest control over his house. There's a rabbit. All kind of wildlife around here. But back to the story. He was telling me that they caught 2 groundhogs. I said 2? I'm like, wow. I wonder if it's the one that was in my yard. You know, he or she went over to see his buddy and got caught up in the trap. So for about a year, I didn't see my groundhog. And then this year, I was alerted to 2 groundhogs on the property, and one was in a tree, one was doing a lookout. That's what says, shoot, I got 2 groundhogs. So I called pest control. They came out. The first time they caught a possum. I didn't know I had possum on the property. And the second time they caught a groundhog, and it was the one with the brown fur. So I figured I got the tree climber. A couple of days later, I was alerted that a groundhog had ran across the patio. I got more groundhogs. So I set a trap. I caught them. I figured that I had one more groundhog, the light tan one that's been evasive. I look out my window today, and there's 2 groundhogs. These things are just multiplying. And this is where we are today. So I got cabbage. I had 2 more traps. I'm gonna set traps for these guys and try to get them out of here, because I can't continue to fight them and try to grow food. And I know they're just hungry. Do I harm them? No. This is a catch and release with a have a heart trap. So I'm not hurting them. I'm just trapping them. So that's where we are today. So I got my cabbage, and let's go get these traps. Like I was saying, I got a lot to do back here, and I don't have time to be fighting these animals off of my food, trying to straighten up, trying to grow food. They actually climbed up on here, took this out, this one out, this one out, and that one out. So they had a party when I wasn't looking. Surprisingly enough, they didn't touch my watermelon. Usually these things love watermelon. Last year I didn't have any watermelon because they went through and demolished everything. Hopefully this will be their last meal on my property. I got my corn covered up because they can go through that in one sitting. Okay, so I got my first have a heart trap right here, and I have another one here. That's the big boy. You know, I thought I wasted my money buying these traps because the animal kept getting in here and eating and then leaving. And what I realized was I didn't have enough food. What I did was I just put one piece and I put it in here. The way the guy did it is he did it like that. He put the food all in there, so we just eat, walk, eat, step on the trap, done. So one of my guys was right about here. I saw them coming in and out of that hole right there, walking around, was here, and then I saw that they were right in this area. So that's a little too close to my corn, and we can't have that. So, like I said, time to get these dudes off the block. All right, so this is what we have here and here. If I don't catch anything, like I said, tomorrow I'll get some cantaloupe and maybe put it behind the shed. Okay, we are back, and guess what? We caught one of them little monsters. Yeah, get me out. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. Relocation program.
Say cheese.
That's what eating my corn, man. You've been eating my corn. You ate my cabbage. Yeah, man, I'm about to drop you off where I dropped off the other one. And hopefully today I will catch your little buddy and get him too, and he will be joining you later. We going on a road trip. Yeah. YouTube, what's going on? Animal drop off. Relocation program, baby. Okay, get rid of this little monster. He got lots of the water. He got some hiding spots. See if I can get him out of here. Go. Get out of here, little monster. Go. Don't get hit by a car. Relocation program successful. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Relocation program. Going home, boy. What's up, buddy? All right, get you off the block. Okay, this way. Go. Figure it out. Find your buddy. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. Road trip. Hopefully this is another successful transfer of the prisoner. All right. Watch your head. All right, hold tight. What's up, homeboy? Relocation program. Let's go. Get out of here. Go. See ya. Another successful drop off. That cat is still running. Road and relocation program.